Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Nature Health Mind. Today we're diving into the world of nutritious recipes, essential nutrition tips, and the incredible health benefits of fruits and vegetables. Let's get started. Fruits and vegetables are the cornerstone of a healthy diet. They're packed with essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your meals can boost your immune system, improve digestion, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Let's start with a nutritious breakfast recipe, a green power smoothie. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of spinach, 1 banana, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of almond milk. Blend all the ingredients until smooth. This smoothie is packed with fiber, protein, and antioxidants to kickstart your day. Spinach provides iron and vitamin K, bananas offer potassium, apples add fiber, Greek yogurt gives a protein boost, and chia seeds deliver omega-3 fatty acids. Here are some quick tips to incorporate more fruits and veggies into your diet. 1. Add fruits to your breakfast cereal or oatmeal. 2. Snack on raw veggies with hummus. 3. Include a side salad with your lunch and dinner. 4. Mix veggies into your pasta dishes and stir-fries. And 5. Blend fruits into smoothies for a delicious and nutritious treat. Next, let's make a rainbow veggie wrap for lunch. You'll need whole wheat tortilla, half a cup of shredded carrots, half a cup of sliced bell peppers, various colors, a quarter cup of sliced cucumbers, a quarter cup of baby spinach, 2 tablespoons of hummus. Spread the hummus on the tortilla, layer the veggies, roll it up, and enjoy. This wrap is rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C, carrots offer beta-carotene, and cucumbers provide hydration. Hummus adds protein and healthy fats. Let's explore the health benefits of some specific fruits and vegetables. Blueberries, high in antioxidants, improve brain health. Broccoli, rich in fiber and vitamin C, supports immune health. Sweet potatoes, packed with beta-carotene, great for eye health. Kale, loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, promotes overall health. Oranges, high in vitamin C, boosts immune function. For dinner, we'll make a simple veggie stir-fry. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of broccoli florets, 1 cup of sliced bell peppers, half a cup of snap peas, half a cup of sliced carrots, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, minced cooked brown rice. Heat the olive oil in a pan, add the garlic and sauté the veggies until tender. Stir in the soy sauce and serve over brown rice. This stir-fry is a delicious way to get a variety of nutrients. Broccoli, bell peppers, snap peas, and carrots provide a mix of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making this dish a nutritional powerhouse. I hope you enjoyed these recipes and tips. Remember, incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet can make a significant impact on your health. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more nutritious recipes and health tips. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and happy.